Kill him, Cesar, kill him. Mark.
They're working decent.
We're out here in New Mexico, hunting in some corn. We got old Chris Cesar here.
Chris. 3 ducks above us right now.
Working some birds. It should be a good day. We had a little mishap. Truck got broke into. Someone needed a gun and duck calls in a band for some reason. We don't know why. But then there's Brian over here. And then we got Troy. It's gonna be a good day. We'll get back to y'all with some action and some birds. Good shot, Rod. Good shot, Rodney.
Throw me a bird, Troy.
Here he comes, the duck-a dog.
Does he have it?
Yeah.
Good
Shooting. Right here, boys. Get ready. Good shot, Rod. Shoot it again. Get on that one, Rod. Get on it. Rod, do you want to just swing north?
All my waders are broke.
Rod finished her off. Troy's going to get it. Good shot, Rod.
Dude, they're finishing far. You ready? Yeah. You can't sit
Did you knock it down, Rod? Good stuff, Rod. Chris, what happened there, bud? Chris! Look.
Got the top one. Did you see the low one?
Yeah, I saw the low one, but I thought the low
Rod, hey, Rod, look at the camera. Look. Chris, look at the camera. What happened?
I was trying to shoot the green head, not the head.
Hey, you're a mark. You go for professionalism.
Get that bird, Troy.
Shoot it again. I was a little far out there, but
Yeah, sorry. I thought he was closer. Get that bird, Troy.
Shoot with Troy out there? No.
shoot. It's not going anywhere.
Find that bird. Dude, he took some pellets. That was a wee bird. Hey, another one coming.
We've been shooting some ducks. They're flying everywhere. Rod's got his limit now, all green. Got 2 right here to show. Let me show you the Troy boy. He's looking good. Look at that stud. Troy, give us a wink. Look at that. Doing good though. We'll get back with the action.
Hey, good. Up.
Look at that dog. He's got green. He's got green, baby.
Give.
Look at that dog.
Hey, this is a big old man. Hey.
Hold it up for the camera, Rod. Woo! Good job, Chris. On the ward. Kill him, Cesar. Kill him.
Oh, hammered.
Hammered. Yeah, doggy. Good shot, Cesar.
Yeah, I got it, Chris.
Good job, Troy. Go get it.
We never got smoked, baby.
No more, no more.
Sorry, that was far.
Oh, Ryan, Mr. a call shot. Mr. Perfect. Look at him.
I'm sorry, Mr. Perfect. Because I forgot that you never make a mistake.
I got a lot of crap for that the other day, which I made some bad call shots.
So,
Yeah, there's also 20-mile-an-hour winds.
I know we want to try to shoot when we're finishing, but there's been some low ones that just fly right here over the top of us.
We already got
That's where
6
there's
now.
2 pintails that just...
Been pretty good.
Yeah.
Cesar's got 2. Rod's got 4. I don't have my calls, as you can tell, because somebody decided to take them. I was going to donate them anyways, but it's life. Good shot, Cesar. Another hen.
I'm just shooting all the ladies.
Hey, you're a ladies man. Look at him. Woo, baby. That's 3 for Cesar. That's 3, baby.
We're gonna take all your women and your children.
The man and his dog, Troy. Look at that guy. Dog, bird getting boy. Look at him. Relax. That's our spread we got. Got some Indians out there. Just running light. Don't need no jerk cord. Got about 12. You can see us hidden in there. Riding right about there. Pretty decent. It's windy today. It's about 20-mile-an-hour wind. Something like that. But it's been good. We almost got a 2-man right now. Chris just needs one more. I haven't even tried yet. I've just been behind the camera because Brian can't record. He gets too excited. But we'll probably finish up with a limit here in not too long. Watch them swinging. You guys. Well, he didn't want none. Just shoot him. Shoot him right there. Shoot. Good shot. Damn it, Cesar!
Right, we finished over there? Right behind you, Ryan, over here. He's ready to die.
That's Chris's second hen. That is his second. That is just his second hen. Chris's second. Good shot.
I think this one's wooded.
Oh shit.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Is it recording?
Yes. Troy, Mark, Troy, Mark. Get that bird! Get that bird, Troy! Get that bird!
Record it.
Yes,
When I
sir.
shot?
Yeah. Look at that dog, baby! He's a good boy! Got a mallard. Come on, Troy. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, Troy. Hip. Hip. Hip.
Yes, sir.
I am.
Well, he didn't. That didn't play him. He was trying to. He didn't do it. Get that bird, Troy. Get that bird. Go. Get that bird. Woo, baby. That thing got smoked. Get that bird.
Look at that dog.
Go sit. Sit.
Oh, look at him. That's Rod's dog.
Give.
Let me see it, Rod. So, we got 3 now. We're 1 away from a mallard limit here. Me, Chris, and Brian. This is the best hunt me and Cesar's had
Right.
in a while. Great hunt. It, you know, I did bite the bullet. You know, someone's got to let their truck get broken into and their gun get stolen. But it's been greasy. We're gonna get down here and shoot some more. Okay. Here you go.
He's our front march.
Here he comes.
That's some good footage.
Here he comes right here.
That thing was right there.
Right out front.
Just smack me a teal. Ryan, what do you think? You happy?
Having a good day.
Good day, baby. Little Troy got it. He's buzzed around. We couldn't get on video. It was buzzing around, but of course I don't miss, so I hit it in the head. I suck at shooting. Wait, that's far, Nate. That's far. Troy Mark. Troy Mark.
Get that bird! Get that bird! Get that bird!
I recorded.
Sit. Troy, sit.
Look at that.
Yep.
Good dog. Look at that. You can grab it, Rod. He's looking good.
Let me fix his stand.
So,
I'm just shocked.
we are limited now. I got my green heads.
Mallard.
Rod's got, Mallard, Chazar. Mallard limit. Me and Chazar broke our luck. We've hunted for what, 8 years?
8 years now.
8 years, and we have not killed a limit. Came close. We shot one band and a speck, which the band got taken away today.
Close to a limit, but yeah.
But yeah, that's a
Contextually, yeah.
we never did super great, but we got in today, smoked them. I mean, look at that dog holding it still good. But we're gonna sit for a little bit, see if we can shoot out. I got one teal, my bonus ducks, but we got 4 mallards each. It's been great. It's been awesome. So can't complain. We'll get back to how we can.
Hold this and I can fix the stand.
That might be. Look at all the birds in the sky. It's just insanity. Just sit down. There's so many birds in the sky. So a little setup right on his knees. Troy's hitting on the stand. Chazar's hitting on his.
I don't know what these three are.
Oh, we've been slicking some ducks. It's been a good day. We got Troy here. He's about 3 years old. Look at the blood on him. He's been getting some retrieves. He did pretty decent today for the most part. Got him on his little stand, throw up the little marshy weed stuff just so we can hide him. But he's 3 now. He's only going to get better, and he's already pretty freaking good. We usually dye him every year, but this year we forgot to. So he's bright white, but still got her done. Walking on out. Had a good hunt. Set up in that corn right there. It was a good day. We shot all our 3-man mallard limit. I think there was a couple hens in there. Chris shot 2, but they all taste the same. I got a teal, but we shot it by I think like 9 o'clock. We shot our mallard limit, and then we sat for some teal. Had a couple come in here and there, but you know they buzz, so hard to get on them. And it was a good day. We're packing in, go get some grub. Well, heading on back. Nice to have a boat, not walking.
Did you guys cut Troy's vest? I like that.
Oh, it was a good day.
I'll pass. Thank you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Long drive.
We got 13. Everyone shut. It was a good day. Got a lot of ducks. Took a picture with them in there. I'll show you all the damage. They busted her out good. In the picture we threw the ducks on top, but they got the gun. There's glass in there. They got the gun in the calls. My band on my lanyard, but you know, can't win them all. I'm alive.